I'm sure a lot of you wanted to buy this side mirror auto folding and auto door lock system on Shopee or Lazada or anywhere else. I bought this on Lazada and you can see the model number here. Almost all the sellers are saying it's easy to install. Just plug and play, no wire cutting and no warranty void. But the instruction given is way too uninformative. So let me show you through this how to install video. This is a place where we control the door lock, so we have to take out this part to install the main control system. First you have to take out the glove box. All you have to do is just pull the box slightly inwards, then you can take out the entire glove box and put it somewhere else. I have already installed all the plugs, so I am going to show you where to find those plugs. Now we can go behind the control panel and I can already see the plug B, which is the one on the top over here. For the ease of installation, it's better to take out this control panel. All you have to do is just push this panel from behind. You might have to push harder if it's not coming off. We can see a lot of stickers on the panel. Do not touch them, you might get your warranty voided if you broke any of them. So the plug B is the one on top. This is the plug to control the door lock. Do not touch the one under. You just have to unplug the original cable, find the matching plug from the auto folding system. All the plugs have different sizes and different number of pins, so it shouldn't be a problem to find the matching one. Remember, there are always two connectors for each plug. You will have to connect the one you just detached from the panel to the one from auto folding system. Now we can put back the control panel. Now the auto folding system is behind the control panel. Do not rush to tie or glue it in your car until you have tested everything. Now we can see this blue color cable. This is for the plug A as described in the instruction. You are going to install it on your door frame. Now I'm going to show you how to take off this cover. You have to pull out this rubber tube, but you don't have to pull out everything. Just pull it out enough for the length of the frame cover. Now you are able to hold the frame with your fingers. You may have to pull harder as it is not easy to come off. But at the same time, do not pull too hard as there is a connector over here that holding the cover. This is a plastic connector and the airbag is also around here. So be careful not to spoil anything here. Now the cover is loose. I can pull the bottom part of the cover away from the door frame. So this is where you have to install the plug A. Detach the original plug, find the matching one on auto folding system, and join them back to the original plug. You don't have to put back the frame cover yet until you have tested everything is working fine. Now let's move on to plug C, D and E. You have to remove this cover to access the plug behind of it. And here you can see these are the cable for plug C, D and E, which I will tidy up later on so that it will not endanger on my driving later. To take off this cover, we have to go under here. And again, you might have to pull harder to remove the cover. Now we can see lots of stickers on some of the plugs, so do not touch them or you will void the warranty. And this is the plug D that you are going to detach. There is no sticker on it, so you wouldn't have to worry about the warranty. So again, attach to matching one and join them back to the original cable. As we go further inside, we can see the plug E, which is the one on top. Detach it and join them with the matching one on auto folding system. The plug C is underneath the steering. Detach the plug and join them with the one on auto folding system. It's easier if you take it off from the holder by turning it counterclockwise. Put it back to the holder by turning it clockwise. Now you have done installing all the plugs. You may want to try to start the engine and try out with the original functions and also the new auto mirror folding and door lock system. Now turning the system on. Step on the brake. Now the door is locked. And when I turn off the system, the door unlocks immediately. Let's try it again. Turn on the system, step on the brake, and the door is locked. Next, let's give the side mirror a test. Turn off the system, shut the door, press door lock on the remote control, and the side mirror is folding up. But mirror will not be unfold if I unlock the car. It will only be unfold when I turn on the system. Just press the button twice, no need to start the engine, and the side mirror is unfolding. Step on the brake and the door is locked. The side mirror autofold works same with the door button. If you have any question, just leave me a comment below.